Kakayanin naman daw ng mga Pilipinong dalubhasa na magsagawa ng sariling pag-aaral sa Benham Rice kung may sapat lang na pondo. Kasunod yan ang suhestyong na makipagtulungan ng Pilipinas sa ibang bansa para mapag-aralan ng mga likas na yaman sa Benham Rice na bahagi ng continental shelf ng ating bansa. Balita hatid ni Dano Tingkungko.
Sa pagdinig sa Senado, isiniwalat ni Atty. J. Batumbakal ng UP Institute of Maritime Affairs ang pagbibitaw ng China sa ilang sample na nakuha nito sa ilang lugar sa Western Pacific. Hindi lang malinaw kung galing ang sample sa mismong seabed ng Benham Rice.
Whether this took place within the EEZ, we don't know because it's just the summary report basically.
So hindi natin ma-pinpoint kung within our EEZ yun?
No, not with that information.
That is a report of the activity, yes. But it can be anywhere.
That should be something that our DFA then would ask specifically from the Chinese. Given that this information, there are samples taken, we want to know where. If we're taking samples of the seabed and they reveal basically mineral content and natural gas caltrates, you could argue that it is already
taking
exploration.
Yeah.
So that's why, in a way, we need to really rethink how we deal with marine scientific research.
Ang tinutukoy ni Batumbakal ang report na ito kung saan sinasabing kumuha di umano ng seabed sample ang research vessel na Shangyang Hong 3 mula November 2016 hanggang January 2017 sa mga dinaanan nito kabilang ang Benham Rice.
The vessel's voyage last November to January is billed by the Chinese press as having been a world record-setting voyage, taking samples of the seabed, conducting a benthic survey, and taken samples of the water. So that already gives you an idea of what it did. And I had asked our marine science people to assess this, if it's resource-related or pure science-related.
Naging mungkahi ni Batumbakal sa pagdinig, dapat may Pilipino ng kasama sa pag-aaral sa natural resources ng ating mga katubigan ngayong kulang tayo sa teknolohiya.
What we recommend is to enable or fund Philippine research exploration and resource assessment projects and programs by DOST, DNR, whether through BMB or MGB. We need to undertake a national marine biophysical and geological exploration program for this region. We can have our own scheduled research cruises, or we can open research opportunities for or with the private sector.
Noong nakaraang taon, nagkaroon na ng sariling ekspedisyon ng Pilipinas sa Benham Rice, partikular sa Benham Bank. Kasama ng iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno ang grupong Oceana na nagpahiram ng gamit tulad ng remotely operated vehicle at underwater video system. Ayon sa grupo, hindi pa huli para muling magsagawa ng ekspedisyon ng Pilipinas. Katunayan, kaya nga raw natin itong gawin mag-isa.
In terms of yung sa biological research, yun masasabi ko na we have pool of experts. Yung provide namin na technical equipment, ni-rent lang din namin yon. Pero mga Filipinos yung gumamit. Filipinos pa rin yung nagkumuha ng data, nag-analyze ng data. We can do it on our own kasi yun nga, meron tayong experts, kung meron tayong funding.
Malaking bagay na raw ang binubuong Benham Rice Biodiversity Management Framework ng Biodiversity Management Bureau na tutugon sa logistic at security challenges ng pagsagawa ng expedition sa Benham Rice. Lalo't ayon sa Oceana, inabot ng 1.5 taon ang paghahanda para sa 10 araw na expedition sa Benham.
We need to know what we have para alam natin kung paano siya i-manage. So, alam natin kung anong approach, anong strategy para ma-ensure natin na meron tayong isdang kakainin, meron tayong pagkukuhanan ng mga iba't ibang resources natin in the future.
Dano Tingkungko, GMA News.